Preparing for tomorrow's renewable energies means preparing to put them in place. Proper lift planning is key to an efficient and safe construction, installation, and maintenance of wind farms, solar fields, and battery energy storage system facilities. Here are 4 important topics that should be considered during the project planning phase. Start by reviewing the engineering requirements of the equipment you'll be putting into place, as well as the rigging needed for the installation. The unique specs, standards, and processes could impact every aspect of your project, such as the next consideration, ground conditions. Often, wind turbine sites and solar fields are placed on land previously used for agricultural purposes. This can impact ground stability. The area where cranes will be used must be level and strong enough to resist the forces imposed by crane operations. Factor in any ground improvements necessary to help prevent costly accidents and delays. Monitor ground conditions for settlement and re-inspect after extreme weather, such as thunderstorms. Speaking of weather, it's another important consideration. Extreme weather can be especially dangerous at a wind farm installation. High wind events and thunderstorms can damage equipment and endanger employees. Include weather monitoring equipment as well as on-site procedures as part of your plan. Of course, rigging is ultimately performed by people. Having the correct personnel with proper training and qualifications can help prevent equipment damage and serious injuries. Workers should be trained to use the specialized rigging techniques and equipment necessary to lift long, heavy turbine blades and tower sections. Also, employees should be familiar with the rigging manufacturer's instructions. Verify the qualifications of on-site personnel, including riggers, crane operators, signal persons, lift directors, site supervisors, and safety staff. Travelers understands the risks that renewable energy companies face. That's why we offer solutions supporting the build-out of new capacity and ongoing operations, such as giving our customers access to complimentary crane safety training, including a 4.5-day in-person course based on national certification requirements and a lift planning fundamentals class. It all adds up to more successful projects for companies and more promise for renewable energy.